Even though I'm tackling a subculture, I'm telling a story about people, human beings.
Right.
You know?
Now, in terms of your body of work, a wide array of things from provocative think pieces to Caviteño artifacts, how do you maintain such a genuinely authentic vision while still having your audience come in to see you every time?
Ay, mga themes na tinatakal ko sa films ko. Rooted talaga siya dun sa kung saan ako lumaki, yung environment na yun. Even though I'm tackling a subculture, I'm telling a story about people, human beings. And dun ako mas nagiging interesado to somehow dissect in a human perspective. Hindi lang ako nagpapakilala ng isang story or like subculture or a weird environment. I'm talking about these people na na-humanize ko. And I think that's the reason why nakaka-relate yung iba. Kasi even though it's something new, you're still human being. Na-enjoy ko yung na-humanize ko yung characters. Like even though bago sa'yo kung saan sila nakatira, saan sila galing, anong culture man meron sila, I think that's the reason why na nagiging universal yung cinema ko. And yun din feeling ko yung reason kaya na-traverse yung film ko globally, kaya nagustuhan din nila. Somehow nakilala nila yung characters kahit na nasa isang kakaibang mundo sila. So yun.
Keep up to date by following our socials for schedules and other details.